Hey y'all, so I am back with another video and I'm outside today because I wanted to just see how has the garden been going because I haven't really been out here that much. So I just decided that I would come out here now because we just had like tornadoes and all kind of things just been happening. And I just want to see how it's looking. So I want to bring y'all out here with me. All right, so this is how it's looking so far. These covers that we have over it is because we learned our lesson from last spring with the cabbage moth and just all types of insects and things like that. That was damaging everything pretty much that we had. So we bought these covers from Amazon, and as you see, there is some collards in here. Not many just yet, but it's some collards in here. And over here, y'all remember the video where I showed y'all my husband was planting these onion? Well, here they are. And we actually need to come out here and separate a few of them because so that they can grow a little bit bigger. But these are the onion, and we have a few red onion here also. These right here are looking fairly decent. And then we walk here and we have some more right here. So we're going to come out here today and thin some of these out so that they can go ahead and start bulbing. So what we have right here underneath this was where we had our strawberries, where we first started our strawberries, but they didn't do so well in here. So what we have now are blackberries, and they starting to flower just a little bit. Well, a lot. Now I don't want to take this off because he has this all, it's a lot of flowering going on in here. So hopefully we'll see some blackberries soon. And then right here, this is where the squash plants are. So, and we see, hold on, it looks like one has already started doing its thing. I thought I saw something. You see right here, one has already started to do its little thing right here. So we're gonna have some squash over here in this section. So that's pretty much it right now. We still have this section back here so that we can fill this in. And this is the Haas grow tent, not the grow tent, the Haas lazy garden kit, lazy grow garden kit. And I showed y'all that in the video where when we first started the garden, when we were actually expanding the garden. So make sure you go check that out if you haven't. And then right here we have another muscadine vine. We have some sage in this bucket, I think it is. And then right here, this is just a mystery lettuce that just popped up. But this is where we had lettuce last year. So hey, it just made its way back right here. And then right here, this is a muscadine vine as well. So we're just, you know, watching this and monitoring this, making sure that it's doing what it needs to do, because can't wait to this to start bearing fruit for sure. And y'all remember the elephant ear that we repotted and transplanted over here? If you haven't, I'll just link that video down in the down in the description, and I'll leave a tag up at the top. But this is where we transplanted the elephant ear. And actually, to be honest with you, we may have to move this because actually the sun is directly on here, and it doesn't really like direct sunlight. And we thought that the fence was going to be enough to give it a little bit of shade, but actually not. So we're probably going to have to take these up and move them again. So I'm just walking over here back to the other side to let you see this side as well. This is the other side. So we had that one that was over there, and then we have this one. So I don't know. we're gonna see. This one seems like it's doing a little bit better because it may be in a little bit of shade compared to the other one that's over there. But yeah, that's what we got so far. But yeah, this is the garden so far. We have the squash, the onion, and a few collards up here. But let's just walk on the porch real quick so I can show y'all what it's really looking like, because we have a lot of things that's in these grow bags. So right here we have tomatoes. We have them already trellised up, so we're gonna see what we're gonna be able to get with these tomatoes. And then we have blueberries right here. Both of these are blueberries, babe. So both of these are blueberries. Who?
They're two different varieties. The tags are on the plants.
Oh, two different varieties. So let's see what this is. This is a Titan variety, and then we have Climax blueberry. And then right here, this is this lime tree, y'all. This key lime tree. So we don't know what's going on with it. If you know what's wrong with this, it went through neem oil, it bounced back from that, a lot has happened here. And then my husband said that he think he put it outside too soon and the cold got to it, because it had leaves on it, and then now all the leaves fell off. They haven't come back. He's repotted it. He's done a whole lot of work to this. This is still in ICU, and we're just trying to revive it. So it's on life support right now. So if you have any input or some tips or whatever about this lime tree, what could we do, this key lime tree, let us know, because honey, we are struggling with this. So yeah, because we should have had limes by now on this, and actually they were coming through, and then I don't know what happened. But anyway, these are the tomatoes, and so we're just gonna walk on the porch right now. And so we have cabbage all the way down here. These are the 3 cabbages that we have. And then this is some sage that we have also. This is cilantro. Yeah, the cilantro. And then we have some carrots, and y'all see we have a little bit of shouldering going on, so we're going to be pulling some of those. What is this right here in this cup? Right here, tomatoes. These are some more tomatoes right here in this little cup here. In this bin, we have a whole lot of lettuce. So we have some romaine lettuce. What else? Tomatoes, romaine lettuce, and
pepper plants,
and some pepper plants right here.
watermelon in those.
This watermelon.
If you fold that little tab down a little bit, you'll see what types are in there.
This is watermelon. Oh, okay.
Fold that little lid down just a little bit. You'll see the names of them.
Okay, so we have, what is this, crimson? Hybrid watermelon, something like that. Yep. And then these are pepper plants.
Oh, no, yeah, right side.
So what are these? All of this is watermelon?
Those are the melon plants.
Those are melon. What's in these cups?
These are pepper plants.
Pepper plants.
Grape tomatoes.
Grape tomatoes, okay. And then we have some lacinato kale. We have Swiss chard in both of these. So, yeah. This is what we have so far. Oh, and cilantro right here, too. And I think that's it. That's it so far. But this cabbage, it's looking pretty good. And so right here, these are strawberries. So we're gonna, he just put these in this little bag. I have these strawberries in this bag, so we definitely can't wait for this. I can't anyway. So yeah, this is it. So yeah, that's everything. That's all the things that we have that's taking place right now in the garden. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave us a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe. Share this with someone who may be trying to learn how to grow their own food. We're still in the learning process, but I feel like we're moving along pretty well. But like I said, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.